A country's prosperity is much affected by the decisions taken by its central bank. More so in case of India, where Reserve Bank of India also functions like a developmental institution and is the lender of the last resort. To begin with, sir, given the current situation is extraordinary in character, how do you see the response of Reserve Bank of India in general to this crisis? Has it been sufficient so far?
Well, it's a very all-comprehensive question, Sanat. But yes, first I must say, probably Reserve Bank of India is one of the few central banks in the world which can be called as a full-range central bank. So
Yes.
it's not only the monetary authority, it is the currency authority, the reserve management, is the debt manager for the government, and then developmental things. So there is a host of activity. Coming to your question, I must say that Reserve Bank of India has taken quite a few steps. As we all know, the pandemic is a unique kind of crisis, and we generally talk about black swan events, but this
Yes.
was something even blackest of the black swan. No one would have thought, and we still don't know at what point of curve we are. So
Yes.
why I am mentioning this? It is very important that there has to be a calibrated pace of the measures which are being taken. Because if you know the dimension of the problem end point and you use all your arsenal, but when you don't know the end point, you can't really work out that ultimately where it is leading to, what could be the dimension or proportion. So that way, calibrated. If we just recollect, RBI first came somewhere around end March, 27th March, when they announced certain measures about the moratorium, some relaxation in working capital, followed it again in April, then again in May, extending the moratorium. So, quite a proactive steps which RBI has been taking. What is more important, during all this period, the RBI's communication with the market participants had also fairly intense. And
Yes.
in today's time, communication is as much a monetary policy tool as anything else. So, in addition to that, I think they have used many conventional, but more importantly, non-conventional measures. Now, repo rate, we all know, is a conventional thing, and that is always done. But in addition to repo rate, I think RBI has done many things to infuse the liquidity in the system. They have opened the liquidity window for mutual funds, more recently for the NBFCs. But
Yes.
apart from that, some new instruments like LTR, long-term repo option, and TLTR, targeted long-term repo option. First time a symmetric change in the repo and reverse repo rate, where both have not moved in the similar proportion, right?
Yes.
So then Operation Twist, where you are trying to condition the expectations in the bond market. So these are quite a few things which they have done. As a result, liquidity is ample in the system. Having said that, I think that is one area where I felt that RBI somehow, if I use the word, drags its feet. That was about this whole NBFC issue, whether the moratorium should be extended or not,
Yes.
and that confusion on that, not giving clear signal, created some damage in the market, which is already everyone knows. Anyway, this is behind us. Since then, things have been repaired to some extent, but probably a quick action on that front could have resulted into something different. The other area where I have not heard anything, but I think would warrant the attention from central bank, is about the forex exposure of Indian entities. In the
Yes.
recent past, Indian entities have taken substantial forex exposure, and given the condition, whatever is happening, it will have its own negative fallout. So I think that is another area where the RBI would have to pay attention. But these are immediate things. But going forward, as I said, number one, depending on the duration and the intensity of whatever it is leading to in the economy, ultimately, probably RBI will have to consider giving a one-time restructuring options for the bank's borrowers. That is something which would needed to be done. that apart, they may have to expand the collaterals which are acceptable to them. So
Yes.
maybe the good quality AAA corporate bonds would have to be included in the collaterals. They
Yes.
have so far they have done their lending operations limited to banking system, but I think a time may demand where they may have to consider other players in the financial market to be included, like the insurance companies or NBFC, who can
Yes.
directly access the RBI's liquidity window. So, and again, as I said, depending on how we move, but then there is a whole host of things which may need a relook, because this is very extraordinary event which includes the accounting norms, even the capital requirement, even the provisioning requirement, and finally, if at all needed, one may have to even consider the monetization of deficit. So the short point I am trying to mention is nothing can be ruled out. All the options should be available on the table, but yes, they would need to be deployed depending on the need.
Depending on it. Yes, indeed. Because, sir, RBI has been reducing the interest rate, but there is a less demand of the loan or credit, fresh credit.